Here I am, East Amherst, New York, about 20 miles from downtown Buffalo, to visit a place that's been voted best burgers 3 years running. Now, that's enough of a reason to visit a joint, right? But get this, there's a kicker. This place was actually the old hunting lodge for Grover Cleveland. You know, Grover Cleveland, the president? Isn't that cool? Here we are at Grover's.
Coming out up on a cheddar burger.
Huge, it's like a swordlet on a bun.
The Bruiser. That is a big burger, yes.
Steak sandwich with onions and peppers, fantastic.
Medium wings.
Parmesan cheese really mellows out the heat.
Where'd you learn all that?
Your shows.
Anything Georgina has on the menu is good.
That'd be Georgina Hartman.
Cheddar cheeseburger medium. Well, I was working in the kitchen when I was 15.
Back when her mom, Joni, opened the place.
Well, thank you so much for coming again.
Were the burgers always the size of
We always
manhole
did.
covers?
Medium well cattleman burger. The cattleman is bacon, the barbecue, cheddar cheese. And then we have Swiss mushroom.
And their best seller,
The Bruiser.
the Bruiser.
Juicy, the onions are great. I mean, it's good.
This is an
80/20
80/20 certified Angus ground beef. We don't season it. We don't put anything on it. I'm just gonna grab a ball here.
What size patty are we making?
About 12 ounces for the Bruiser burger.
The size of a brain.
We tend to give more than we're supposed to.
Do you give them a prize, a t-shirt, or anything if they finish it?
We've had a couple people eat 2 of these, and it's always the people that are about my size, about that big.
Mm-hmm. It's that high metabolism.
That's right. So that looks pretty good to me right now.
I want you guys to hear the sound. That's scary.
We're gonna saute some onions with this oil so it's not dry and we don't stick. We're gonna put the onions on. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of butter here. Salt and pepper. Let those brown up. Now we can put the burger in.
Drop it from way up and let it just go whack. How long does that take to cook that?
Well, we want medium rare, so I'm gonna guesstimate probably about 3 to 4 on each side. Put a little butter on the bun.
Wow.
Put a little flip here. Now I'm gonna get a little Cajun,
Now what's in the Cajun spice?
cayenne paprika, black pepper, and garlic.
Got it.
Put the onions on top. Now the Roquefort crumbly blue cheese. And then Grover's, we overdo everything. Then on the top, a little quick steam up here.
Like it.
And in 1 minute, you're gonna be eating the Bruiser. You want me to put a napkin in?
You have like a bed sheet or something here that's available? Wow, that's a big burger. This is the best part about this. Flat tops have a very distinct style about them, especially when you got a good amount of fat. It creates this crunchy texture. I like Roquefort cheese, I like onions, but there's no way I could eat that whole thing.
The people that are this big, those are the people that can eat too.
Absolutely impossible. Is that enough burger? I mean, you guys are from Texas.
Way too much for me, but it is excellent.
Putting on a Bruiser.
And that's only one of a dozen they're cranking out.
Here's your blue burger
A lot of beef, a lot of blue cheese, right on the money.
and your cheeseburger.
Burgers are huge, they're juicy. It's really just an amazing burger place. We've been coming here for
18 years.
For the burgers
Coming down with bacon.
and a whole menu of homemade comfort food.
Meatloaf with fries.
We always have the wings.
Single order of medium wings.
And get a load of this one.
Cheeseburger soup.
Yep, cheeseburger soup.
It's just what it says it is. Cheese broth with large chunks of burger in it. Excellent.
I got a bowl of cheeseburger soup.
not having to worry about the bun and all that kind of stuff. It's just fantastic.
Tastes like a cheeseburger in a bowl.
Okay, now I've never heard of that.
Yeah. First thing we do is put in the wonderful butter. Let this soften up a tad. All right, now you can give me the onions.
Got it?
We have to wait now for these to sweat out.
Sweat those down, turn them translucent. And now here's the new burger that they're serving here at Grover's. This is the 4-pounder. See, this is a great move. You get some of that charred texture that you get on flat top.
Yeah.
So you glaze the pan.
With water.
And then I'm gonna put my chicken base in there. Next, half and half.
Okay.
Could you pass the slurry, please?
Is that a flour slurry or a...
Yes, flour and water. Now we'll put in the cheese sauce.
I thought it was mustard, and I'm like, I don't know how possible you could put that much
You
mustard
thought
in.
it was
But
mustard?
who made this recipe up?
Actually, I did. I just played with it, and this is what happened. Now we put in that wonderful burger. Next, lettuce.
We're really gonna put lettuce and tomato in this.
Yes, we are. Is there lettuce on a cheeseburger?
Well, I know there is, but
Yeah.
I don't know about this.
And lastly, the tomatoes. We mix it all together, and we're all done. Ready to taste it.
This is crazy. It smells like cheeseburger.
Here's to ya.
No way. This is, no kidding, liquid cheeseburger. Super flavor. I mean, it's really awesome. Not too cheesy. Right size of tomato. And you know what makes it? The lettuce. That little bit of sweetness to it.
Glad you're enjoying it.
This is like my 19th spoonful. That is so delicious.
I love it, and it's wonderful.
1 cup of cheeseburger soup.
Look at that monster bite. What do you got for me? 2 thumbs up? You heard it right from him.
And there's a cheeseburger soup for you.
I don't think we could ever copy this.
We split it if you want to have some wings too.
Medium wings.
Invented in Buffalo, but Grover's has taken it to a whole nother level.
Out of everything, what's your favorite?
I'm gonna have to say the wings.
When we come back. That's really good.
Okay, 1 Bruiser and a medium hamburger.
At Grover's in East Amherst, New York,
How is everything?
Joni Hartman and her daughter Georgina are cranking out the burgers,
Cheddar burger.
big plates of comfort food,
Meatloaf with fries.
wings. And hey, since they're just 20 miles from Buffalo,
Wings up!
they're doing what they gotta do.
Invented in Buffalo, but Grover's has taken it to a whole nother level. Bigger, crispier, and tastier.
They're big wings, and these are not little pigeon wings that you see some places when you go out.
Garlic wings?
No, I don't think I've ever had garlic wings before. These are absolutely delicious.
Garlic, Parmesan, buffalo wings.
Okay.
There's 10 to an order.
Wow, pterodactyl wing.
We're gonna go ahead and get them started.
And how hot's the fryer?
It's about 400 degrees.
And you go from raw all the time.
Always. Let them go for 14 to 15 minutes, because I like that skin to be crunchy when I get it.
Yeah, I want some crunch. And I also like to render down the fat inside.
You got it.
Okay, so when do we make the sauce?
We can start making it now while we're getting ready, okay? I measured about that much butter. This is fresh garlic that we chop in advance. Then a little grated Parmesan cheese. Then the buffalo hot sauce.
I like where you went with this. My mouth's starting to water already.
And now we mix it up.
Okay, are these bad boys ready?
I think so. Shake them up. I don't like them to stick together, which they sometimes do. Okay, let's grab our sauce. Dump them in there. So you want to give them flavor and coat them real nice. All right, we're ready.
And then you pour all that sauce on top?
Depends on how saucy you like them.
I'm saucy.
You're saucy, so just give it a little bit. I don't want to do too much.
Look at that. Great skin, great rendering down. Oh, real good.
Good deal.
Super crunchylistic, cooked just how I like it. Look at that little nugget right there. See all the fried? You get the sweetness of the butter and the Parmesan cheese, a little bite of the garlic. I'd only kind of call it a hint of heat. That's a great mixture. Boy, is that good.
Your garlic Parmesan wings.
Really tender, really crispy, which is really nice.
Good flavor, nice garlic, good Parmesan, nice meaty wing.
Single order wings.
We like the wings, like everybody. It's an excellent place.
Bruiser, medium rare.
They put a lot more effort into their cooking.
Gentleman chicken.
Doesn't matter, it's all good.
Yeah.
This is our spot.
Cheeseburger soup.
And every time we go to Grover's, it's delicious.
I'm so happy that you came, and I hope you enjoyed everything.
Very comfortable. You feel like home coming here.
Ladies, I gotta tell you, we've had a blast. I think when you come down here, you better bring an appetite and that cheeseburger soup.